Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply synchronize your contact into your Instagram account without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom side. The next thing you need to do is simply click on your Instagram handle. Then go to Account Center. Then you have to simply scroll down and go to your information and permissions. The next thing you need to do is to click on Upload Contacts. Then select your Instagram handle. What you need to do is to simply turn on this button. It's as simple as that. Contact connected. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.